Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can cancel Google Drive subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google account. You can open it from your laptop, computer, or maybe your phone. And here I want to open my Google account with my laptop. I have opened the Google application and I'm going to go to my Google accounts right here. Okay, we can go to manage your Google account, and after the Google account has been opened, we can go to the payments and subscriptions. All right, and you can scroll down until you find the Google One subscription. You can click on this option, and then here we'll be able to unsubscribe the Google One or the Google Drive. Just tap on that, and then if you want to cancel the subscription or if you want to unsubscribe the Google One, you just need to click on this option. But I'm not gonna do that guys, so I'm just going to click on close. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel Google Drive subscription. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.